which is not good at this age because I'm still 30 and it's too young for a knee replacement. This is Shripriya here. Yeah, I started this journey only because I was overweight and I wanted to lose weight. I wanted to be healthy, fit, and confident when I look at myself. So that's when I thought I really needed someone to guide me through the right path so that I can start my fitness journey. So that is when I found out about Dr. Saubhagya, and right now I'm in this journey.
That's nice. So what, before you started the program, so what was your mindset? You
Mhm.
were having this overweight, you were having some issues, but like health issues. What was your mindset? Your health and body. What did you feel?
Actually, all my life I was super thin because I was a dancer. But all of a sudden, after I got married, because in my mom's place, it was what do you call it? Sattvic food.
Okay. You're a pure
But
vegetarian.
yes, pure vegetarian. Even now, I'm pure vegetarian. But only thing is, a lot of other things have been included after getting married. So it was, we were newlyweds, so we wanted to explore different things, different cuisines, different things. Because when I was at my mom's place, none of my parents, we used to go out or eat. Rarely an outing, very rare, probably once a year or twice, like in 2 years, once in 2 years it would be like that. So after getting married, eating out was like um weekly process. It became a weekly thing for us. So that is when my hormones started changing, because from 25 years of my life I had been eating only sattvic food, and suddenly everything got changed. Different things, different usually, for most of the women, the body changes after you get married. So similarly, same like that happened to me, but along with that, eating my eating habits changed. So that is when I started putting on a lot of weight. And along with that, during my wedding, I had to take these postponed tablets for almost 3 to 4 months continuously. So what happened was all that triggered. Luckily, touchwood, for that matter, I didn't get thyroid or PCOD or that, for that matter, even after putting on so much of weight. Post pregnancy, I started having that knee pain, lot of knee issues. But
Mm.
before that, I did not have all that. So what happened was, and then I also had that muscle catch, which I told you
Mm.
about.
Mm.
So what happened was, day by day the pain started increasing, and every 2 months I used to get that muscle catch where it didn't let me to even breathe when I kept a step. So it didn't let me to even breathe, and then I thought, okay, I need to lose weight. I need to do something for my health, because this is not going to happen. If this continues, then probably I had to get my knee replaced.
Mm.
So which is not good at this age because
Mm.
I'm still 30
Mm.
and it's too young for a knee replacement. So that is when I found out about your organization, and I really wanted to do something for my health, even though it is still in, I'm not able to do much, but I'm gradually reducing, not like one uh, together, a lot. People usually lose weight 5 kilos or 6 kilos suddenly, and then it will stop. But for me, it is gradually reducing, and I'm fine with it. I am happy with the results. I'm happy with the outcome, whatever is happening, because I know my body and I don't want to rush into things and then, later on again put on the weight back. So it's okay. Whatever is happening, let it happen slowly, gradually, and permanently is what I believe in.
Very good.
Thank you so much, Dr. Saubhagya. Thanks a lot, because it is actually really helping me to track my meals in eating healthier rather than eating everything, whatever, all that. My sleep has improved a lot. Apart from, whatever time, even if I sleep for 2 hours, I sleep properly.
Mm.
So right now, whenever my daughter is not well, it is common that even I won't be able to sleep properly. But still, even if I get that 2 hours of sleep, I sleep well.
Mm.
And when I wake up, I feel fresh.
Yes.
So I didn't have that before. And I used to feel sleepy immediately after meals in the
Mm.
afternoon.
Mm.
So now I don't have that problem.
Mm.
So I'm active throughout the day, and
Mm.
by 10:30, 11, I'm off to sleep.
Okay. So how do you see yourself compared to that, like back 2 months back and now, before and after? How do you feel?
I feel actually very good, very energetic throughout the day. And then I feel good looking at myself. I feel beautiful, even though there are not much changes, but I still feel beautiful.
Next goal, like now you told you want to cure your knee joint pain. So what is your
Yes.
next goal, health goal? Like after that?
After that, next goal is, yeah, I have to stay consistent. I see, for me to not get back that pain, I have to maintain a healthy lifestyle,
Mm.
healthy weight. So I'm going to continue with this probably my whole life. It's going to be healthier version of whatever I am today.
If someone around you is looking or struggling with the same thing, with the
Mm.
constipation, with any kind of tiredness, any health issues, and they are lacking of the motivation, what
Mhm.
message would you like to share with them?
I would definitely tell them, I would ask them if they are really facing a serious issue, then I would definitely suggest your name. I would tell them, see, I went through this journey. I got to know. I believed in myself. I believed in my coach, whoever was there to guide me through all this. So I would definitely give them a piece of advice, because I don't want anybody else to go through what I went. Everyone needs to be healthy.
Hmm.
So each person, each individual is different, I know, but still, it depends on what you are, what you eat, and what you do.